What's up, creators? Cool here, your AI mentor from authorityvideos.com, the place where creativity meets cash flow. You've seen it, history channels like History Hideout are blowing up with crazy facts about famous and not so famous figures like Cleopatra or George Washington. They're addictive, right? But here's the kicker. Most of these videos are just images with a voiceover. What if I told you we're about to level up with full-on animated storytelling? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to create history videos that not only go viral, but also rake in revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Let's go. Here's the thing. History videos are trending big right now, and the niche is wide open for creators who can stand out. Take History Hideout, for example. They've pulled in over 70,000 subscribers with short, punchy videos about wild historical facts, and they've done it with just images and voiceovers. Imagine what you could do by adding cinematic visuals and motion to the mix. Using tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Kling AI, we're going to take those wild history facts and turn them into scroll-stopping masterpieces. Ready to dive in and start building your history empire? Let's break it down step by step. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through creating a history video that not only goes viral, but also builds your audience and income streams. Here's what we'll cover. Generating crazy scroll-stopping historical facts with ChatGPT, crafting stunning visuals with Leonardo AI, adding cinematic motion using Kling AI, creating captivating voiceovers with ElevenLabs, polishing everything to perfection with Veed. And yes, I've got a free cheat sheet in the description that walks you through every step. So, buckle up. Let's create some viral history content and turn your creativity into cash flow. Step 1. Idea generation with ChatGPT. Alright creators, this is where the magic of history meets the power of AI. Idea generation. To go viral in the history niche, it's all about unearthing the craziest, most jaw-dropping facts that people can't help but share. Here's the good news. I've done the heavy lifting for you. I've analyzed the most viral history videos out there, like History Hideout's shorts, and distilled the formula for success into a single, easy-to-use prompt. This prompt is designed to help you generate scroll-stopping ideas in minutes. Grab it from the link in the description, and let's dive in. Here's how to use it. Open ChatGPT and start a new conversation. Copy the viral history prompt below or grab it from the description link. Paste it into ChatGPT and let the AI work its magic, delivering a 3-scene narrative packed with wild, engaging facts. And here's what ChatGPT generated with the viral history prompt. Scene 1, a dark, stormy night outside a grand laboratory, the silhouette of Nikola Tesla standing triumphantly amidst a crackling surge of electrical energy. Scene 2, Tesla in a tense face-off with Thomas Edison, both men dressed in period attire. Scene 3, a futuristic scene with Tesla standing confidently on a rooftop in New York City. Pro tip: this prompt isn't just about digging up random trivia, it's a blueprint for creating gripping mini stories that take your audience on a journey. By focusing on the weird, wild, and wonderful side of history, you'll captivate your viewers and keep them coming back for more. That's how you stand out in the history niche and get those shares rolling in. Step 2, image creation with Leonardo AI. Now let's bring these scenes to life visually. Head to Leonardo AI using the link below and grab your free tokens. Here's the setup. Use the Leonardo Phoenix's model for historical, detailed visuals. Set the style to dynamic for an authentic look that still pops. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Paste your ChatGPT generated prompts, hit generate, and boom, your historical scenes are ready. Imagine Tesla in a tense face-off with Thomas Edison. This is where history meets next-level visuals. Step 3, animation with Kling AI. Here's the twist that takes your history videos from cool to epic animation. Use Kling AI to add motion to your visuals. Tesla's dramatic hand gestures, Edison's angriness. It's all about creating movement that grabs attention and keeps your audience glued. Step 4, voiceover with ElevenLabs. What's a story without a compelling voice? To truly engage your audience, head over to ElevenLabs. Copy your narration script from ChatGPT, Choose a voice that's confident yet relatable and fine-tune it to perfection. This step is crucial. Your voiceover will pull your audience into the story and make your characters unforgettable. Step 5. Editing with Veed. Finally, polish your masterpiece in Veed. Import your animated clips, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, and add seamless transitions like fade through black to keep the flow smooth. Overlay text like Scene 1, Nikola Tesla Mad Scientist. Add voiceover and layer in some cinematic background music for that extra punch. Once it's polished, export your video and boom, you're ready to upload. You've just created a history video that's a total scroll stopper. Recap. Here's why this approach is a game changer. You're not just sharing facts, you're creating an experience. History videos like this are not only highly shareable, but also ideal for monetization through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. By adding motion and narration, you'll stand out in a niche that's still growing fast. This is how you make history and cash flow at the same time. And that's it. You've just created a history video that's ready to go viral and bring in revenue.
Tesla fought a bitter war with Edison over AC versus DC power, leading to one of the most dramatic scientific rivalries in history. He predicted a wireless world, and now his inventions are shaping our future. Tesla was ahead of his time, and the world is finally catching up. Did you know Tesla once zapped himself with lightning? In a dangerous experiment, he stood near a live coil and became the human conductor for raw electricity.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you're always ahead with the latest AI-powered content tips. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you want to learn next, whether it's about storytelling, AI tools, or leveling up your video content. Your feedback helps shape our future tutorials, so don't hold back. Next time, we'll dive into even more game-changing strategies to boost your creativity, grow your audience, and maximize your success. Until then, keep creating, keep earning, and stay tuned for what's next. Until then, remember it's cool to stand out